We got a 370Z in, getting a retune, getting the uprev art features and nicks thrown in, some maps for it, so some pops and cracks and some flames here in a bit. If you're local, you need any maintenance, oil change, alignment, whatever you may need maintenance wise. We always try and keep at least one bay open. Usually have the alignment rack open so we can do quick things on it if we need to. We do regular maintenance, pretty much anything you would need, the dealership would offer. The only thing we don't offer is inspections. Alright, so this week we have a Tundra in, getting some rotors and pads. George is knocking it out here during lunch. We have a 2018 Titan on the dyno, so getting a tune. So it should pick up some nice torque. So Tim's just checking over everything right now. Got it spinning out, checking out all the straps. Do a little pull here in a second, and away we'll go. You remember our motor out friend from last week. So you can see we've got a bunch of seals, gaskets, all kind of good stuff. Get replaced up, fix those coolant and oil leaks. And I got another GTR in the shop. So this GTR looks like it's been vinyl wrapped. So it's getting an ECU Tech tune. So see what kind of numbers it puts down when it's done. We got Tim finishing up alignment on a Mustang.
Always through the crowd.
He's gonna slam it, he says. So if you ever want to know what a Camry looks like on G37 sport wheels, here you go. So Scott's on my old stock wheels, so this is daily as a nice drift 240. So Scotty's back here finishing up downpipe for the ridiculous E36 M3. So he's finishing welding everything up on it, adding some hangers, adding the V-band, get everything connected to the turbo and squared away.